the dark before the dawn's first light, we loaded the gear, our lines pulled tight. Mallacoota's waters calm and still, with Bream on our minds and time to kill. Down at the bottom lake we glide, past the narrows where the currents hide. The tannin waters dark and deep, where the Bream in quiet shadows creep. We cast our lures with patient hand, across the flats through golden sand. Let the line sink slow, don't rush, don't twitch, for the Bream will bite without a hitch. With sunrise spreading through the sky, the Genoa River on passed by. Through Wallagaraugh winding bends, where every cast a line extends. The forested hills watch from afar, as we chase Bream beneath the morning star. The water's surface smooth as glass, while pelicans in silence pass. We search the bays, the perfect spots, for that pull that strike those telltale notes. The black Bream stir their scales aglow in Mallacoota's magic flow. Through every bend, each snag and creek, we hunt them down, the game we seek. With soft plastics and surface poppers too, we catch the old Bream strong and true. From drop-offs deep to shallow flats, where we land Bream in gleaming hats. Each tug a fight, each fight a thrill. The Bream of Mallacoota, what a skill. By afternoon, with the sun up high, we drift along as swans glide by. A day well spent with fish in hand, on Mallacoota, Bream-filled land. So here's to the lakes and the fish we find, to the peaceful calm and the wind so kind. For every angler knows the dream of Mallacoota's mighty Bream. So here's to the lakes and the fish we find, to the peaceful calm and the wind so kind. For every angler knows the dream of Mallacoota, mighty Bream.